Want to know how to download and sign up for Twitter? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. You can also get into your App Store or Play Store and tap on the search for apps and games option. Insert here Twitter, search for the particular app. That is the particular app that I have been searching for. Tap on it, and then if you haven't installed it yet, you'll get an option of install. Tap on install and get it downloaded and installed. You can see I have already installed it, so I'm going to tap on open option on the top right corner. We are on to the very first section of the Twitter app. All we need to do is tap on create account. Now you can enter your name here that you want to use. I'm going to enter my name and then tap on phone number or email address. I'm going to use my email, so I'm going to tap on use email instead on the bottom left corner, and then use my email address and tap on date of birth. I'm going to choose my date of birth. For using Twitter, you need to be above 13 years old or at least of 13 years old and keep your very correct one. I'm going to choose my birth year, birth date, and then my birth month and tap on next option on the bottom right corner. When you're done with it, to customize experience, tap on next on the bottom right corner. If you're all set, tap on sign up on the bottom. You'll get a verification code on your email address. All you need to do is go and check there, so I'm going to do it. You can also do the same. You can see that I am onto my email address, and on the top I do have a notification from the Twitter app itself, and that's a verification code. I'm going to tap on it, and you can see that I have an option of tapping on this verification code and then copying it. And I'm going to go back to my Twitter account and enter the verification code by pasting it. When I'm done, I am going to tap on next on the bottom right corner. I have an option of choosing a password that must be of 8 characters. And when I'm done, I'm going to tap on next option on the bottom right corner. So I have an option of picking a profile picture. Tap on upload. You have an option of taking a photo at the moment or choose from the existing photo. I'm going to tap and choose existing photo. Gonna go to my gallery and choose one from my own gallery or the recent one. So let me choose this one, and you can arrange it and tap and apply on the top right corner and tap on next when you're done on the bottom right corner. You can even choose your bio if you want to. I'm going to keep a bio. And then tap on next on the bottom right corner. If you want to connect your address book to find people you may know on Twitter, you can tap on sync contacts. I'm going to tap on not now on the bottom. You can also do the same. So you're all set. Now you can choose what you're interested in and tap on next on the bottom right corner when you're done. So you have an option of choosing whom to follow. I'm going to tap on follow next to their username just like this, and you're following this person. When you're done, tap on this follow on the bottom right corner. And you can see you're all set, and that is your current account of Twitter. You've successfully created an account for yourself. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.